Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the Ps5 down and unplugging everything. Do that now. Once unplugged, lay the console flat with the PlayStation logo up so you control cover movement. Place your hands on the outer corner and the rear bottom area. Press the rear tab gently toward the center while lifting the outer edge. You need a firm, steady motion. If it resists, stop and confirm the unit is flat and fully unplugged before continuing. Now you're in the middle of the action. Hold opposite corners of the plate, keeping even pressure so it doesn't flex. Once you've depressed the rear tab, slide the cover toward the back about 1/2 inch to disengage the rear clips, then keep sliding until you feel the side clips clear. Make sure to lift straight up, do not twist, because the plastic clips can snap if you bend them. If it feels stuck, recheck for any mistabs. Finish by placing the removed cover on a soft surface to avoid marks. To reattach, align the rear edge first, then slide the plate forward until you hear the clips click into place. That confirms secure seating. If reinstallation or removal stalls, a common fix is to reseat the rear tab and try again with steady, even pressure. Forcing or twisting risks damaging clips. If a clip seems broken, stop and inspect before using the console.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.